gị mere o nwere nwaanyị nwoke ga-ara ụzọ ya akpochie like o riri ọ na-adịghị ero because one guy gwara m that one girl ọ rara arọ nye esiwere ya ike is it possible nwoke rara nwaanyị ụzọ ya blọkụ
ọbụra ha abụọ jam na ọbụra ka awụ black ka awụ red okwezekwe ọkwa nwere ndị na-asị gị na ha wụ ụmụ mmiri enwere ndị nwere spiritual husband and their husband are very jealous. I want my friend in neck and obi Igbo before spiritual husband na na-eme apịa I ga-anọ like this ya na-ekwu the man okwu. Yes, I go, please, I don't want to have sex again. Go, please, I don't have strength. So one day I was very powerful to ask her because at the time the thing I been me and your mas na girl like you gonna mad okuna aga n'ụzọ. That thing I be something before you know you start talking to yourself. Anyway, deliverance you're gonna roll look at what has a big python. You have 7 children in the river. As no feel talking. So one day my girl said, anytime you be talking to somebody. Because I told her several years, I'm talking to somebody. Aneta is not you. I'm talking to somebody else. Master, you only need a pro. Yes, not spiritual husband here. Master, you let him and more in a new boyfriend. Mark at the man name up here, and him and our husband. Yes, because he's a jealous lover. No, not chocolate, no, many I can. Don't know, he had with Siawan. When I do so any no one. So that was when I know that this thing up for spiritual husband is real. Pure real, because I want my friend, I want Guyana the same work, but at home the same. Oku get a wall. Severally, man, I road, I know I got a road. So that was the reason why I cut off from her. Delete her number. So when I come here with one spiritual husband.